Welcome to the channel. Today we will see how leading companies are using advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, advanced analytics and digital twins to optimize their operations, improve customer experience and gain competitiveness. Here we can see how these companies manage to buy time and improve their efficiency thanks to the strategic implementation of these technologies. We will explore cases of Google, Netflix, Tesla, and others who are leveraging these innovations to transform their industries. If you are interested in learning from technology leaders to apply these ideas in your business, this video is for you. Google is a pioneer in the use of AI in its products and services. The company has integrated AI into its search engine and applications such as Google Assistant, improving the accuracy of results and personalizing the user experience. This diagram shows how Google uses machine learning and BERT to better understand human language and respond to queries with greater relevance. In addition, Google optimizes the energy consumption of its data centers using DeepMind AI, achieving a 40% reduction in energy consumption, which improves its sustainability and saves costs. Netflix has taken advanced analytics to the next level, personalizing content for its users. In this image, we observe how machine learning algorithms analyze users' habits and recommend content tailored to their tastes. This has allowed 80% of views on Netflix to come from automatically generated recommendations, increasing user retention and platform revenue. Netflix also uses advanced analytics to decide which original content to produce, thus optimizing its strategic decisions. Tesla uses digital twins in the assembly of its electric vehicles, creating virtual replicas of its production lines. Here we can see a schematic of how Tesla simulates and optimizes each phase of the manufacturing process without stopping production. This technology allows it to detect bottlenecks and improve the energy efficiency of vehicles, such as the Model Y. TechCrunch highlights that Tesla has managed to reduce by 30% the launch time of new models thanks to digital twins. P&G has adopted AI to forecast demand and manage its inventory efficiently. Here we see how AI helps the company adjust its production based on market fluctuations, optimizing distribution routes and reducing transportation costs. A Supply Chain Dive article indicates that P&G has reduced logistics costs by 10% thanks to this technology, allowing it to respond quickly to changes in demand. Siemens is a reference in the implementation of digital twins in the industry. This diagram shows how this technology allows Siemens to create virtual replicas of equipment and processes in its production plants. This makes it possible to simulate different production scenarios and predict failures before they occur. Siemens has improved the efficiency of its plants by 15% and reduced maintenance costs by 20% through this technology, which optimizes operation and minimizes downtime. IBM uses advanced analytics to manage your human resources efficiently. With the Watson platform, it analyzes data on employee performance and predicts training needs. We can see how IBM reduces employee turnover and improves job satisfaction by creating customized training plans. According to Harvard Business Review, IBM has decreased employee turnover by 15% and increased satisfaction by 10%. Here's a summary of how leading companies are using AI, advanced analytics, and digital twins to gain a competitive advantage. These technologies enable rapid adaptation to market demands, improve operational efficiency, and optimize the use of resources at all levels of the organization. Each of these examples shows the impact of integrating these technologies into business strategies. If you are interested in applying these technologies in your organization to transform productivity and improve competitiveness, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together we can design a strategy that optimizes performance and resources in your company. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.